everyone, it's me, your friend. Today we're going on an adventure to learn about something super cool, our bodies.
This is Likhit, the bear. He loves to learn about the body.
And this is Sughanda, the bunny. She loves to sing and dance with her body.
Are you ready to learn with us? Let's go! First stop, our heads. Our heads help us think and learn. Can you point to your head? Great job.
Next are our eyes. We use our eyes to see all the wonderful colors around us. Can you blink your eyes? Wow, you're good at that.
Now it's time for our ears. Ears help us listen to music and our friends' voices. Can you wiggle your ears? That's so silly.
And of course, we can't forget our noses. Our noses help us smell delicious food. Can you wrinkle your nose? You're making me laugh.
Our mouths help us taste yummy snacks and sing our favorite songs. Can you open your mouth wide? You look like a roaring lion.
Next up are our arms. We use our arms to hug our loved ones and build sandcastles. Can you raise your arms high in the sky? You're so strong.
Our hands are amazing. We use them to clap, wave, and draw beautiful pictures. Can you clap your hands? Hooray! You did it!
And finally, let's talk about our legs and feet. They help us run, jump, and dance. Can you stomp your feet like a dinosaur? That was awesome.
Now that we know all about our body parts, let's sing a song together.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
That was so much fun! Our bodies are incredible, aren't they? Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the body. We learned about our heads, eyes, ears, noses, mouths, arms, hands, legs, and feet.
Likhit, Sughanda, and I had so much fun with you today.
Remember to take care of your amazing body.
See you next time!